Hey everybody, Grant here again with Wendell Well Services. Figured since I had your attention dialed in on rock covers, had you all intrigued and fascinated by them, and I got back comfortable again. It's still raining outside. Gonna go over with another type of rock cover that we stock and use and go over its functionality. As you can see, it's a lot bigger. This is what we typically use if we have a site or a setup where the house is either on a slab or there's not enough room under the house or inside the house to put a tank, or if the customer wants a tank out at the well, we'll typically use these this size cover here. So as you can see, it's fairly large, 37 inches wide, 37 inches long, 38 inches tall, so it's close to a square. I'm gonna flip this up again. You can see how easy it is to flip up. Again, has a nice heavy duty spray of foam insulation in here for freeze protection purposes. I've also got another mock well set up for you here to show you what it does cover, and before everybody on YouTube goes crazy, PVC is not connected to copper. This is just an old tank we had that I was using for display purposes to show a typical setup. Well here, pipe from the pump coming out, come into your tank, and then also come over and out and down to the house. This is a 20-gallon tank. These covers can accommodate up to 44-gallon tanks. You have to move them a little bit closer to the well, but they will work. Again, just wanted to kind of have this set up for you here to show how great these covers work. Again, they're real easy to maneuver. Has this nice channel out here where if you want to drive stakes in the ground or throw dirt over them, they work well for that. Then if you want to come out to your well and hook up a spigot, you can do that too. So this is what's called, again, the medium rock, made by Piedmont Well Covers. We stock these, as well as the extra small rocks. They also make a large rock and an extra large rock. It's the same purpose, just a lot bigger for if you have more tanks outside or more stuff you want to cover up. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.